So how was your class?
Okay, regarding the Valencian class, there were two groups of 17 students each. They were in 6th of primary. That means that they were between 11 and 12 years old. As this school was clean, their level was good. They had a B1, B2 level. Normally in public Spanish schools or Valencian schools, they don't have that level, but they had this level. There weren't any specific needs that we needed to pay attention to. And the technical setup that they had was the one that we can find in most public schools. They had like smartboard, a computer, a projector, and a microphone. We used two computers, one in their class where they watched videos, and the other one where they did the video conference. As you can see in the left side, there's our screenshot of the video conference, and on the right side, with the yellow t-shirts, we have the Spanish, the Valencian students, and on the left side, the French students. And with this project and with this exchange, what we wanted to show is how useful virtual exchanges were for primary school, because there was a lot of research in secondary education about how virtual exchanges were useful and beneficial to learn a second language, but there wasn't that much information about primary school. So that's why this particular exchange was very important.
Perfect. And what's about your partner's class?
Okay. In reference to the French group, there was only one group, but this was larger. There were 26 students. In addition, these students were younger. They were in 5th grade. That means they were between 9 and 10 years old, and as a result, their level was lower. They had an A2, but there wasn't any problem. Students had like good connection, and the difference that they had in level was not a problem. There weren't any specific needs either, and they used the same technical setup as the Valencian class.